Reta na pag-uusapan natin mamaya who had Ortuste and Costello. Magandang laro, but
for Coach Jamaica, he'll just be there, provide leadership, provide stability, provide playmaking, and
still, yun na nga nakausap natin si Baser sa dugout as we take a look at Reta firing away. Ilista mo na unang 3 puntos.
ng mga kape. He ran off screens properly. Off-ball movement was also a factor in a breakout game para sa Tubong Bacolod. The way 42% averaging from the 3-point area. Napakalaking bagay ni Dan Sara, pero buti na lang. At 10 days lang.
At nakukuha na nga ni Baser Amer ang kanyang rhythm and kumpiyansa. Sabi ni Baser kanina sa dugout, tangkwa na sa loob na rin. Tumuloy-tuloy.
Si Donald.
Oh, what a shot at to beat the buzzer at the end of the first.
Play as a 3 also.
Very versatile kasi yan. Ginto, that was a good look by Costello to Ginto. Bradwin, of course, playing his last year, donning the yellow and red. Nariba ni Jeff Santos, naagaw naman ng red lines, tangkwa. And Donald is doing so well off the bench. He now has 6 to his name.
I think he's more effective coming off screens, you know, being set up by his teammates.
Bulanari giving up his dribble. Oy, napaswerte mo, napaganda pa yung tira ng Alan Bulanari. Kinakanan yan. Gandang hapon din kay sa ating kabasketball yan sa Acropolis, the Monday group, si Oliver Gan. Wala, Koga to Amer, the swing, good ball movement. Soberano is free for 3. Worse. Thank you sa ating director din na si Al Neri for ABS-CBN Sports, our overall producer. Here's with 10.
Speaking of 10, they're already enjoying from a then 10-point lead, pero ngayon, Art de la Cruz
With 7 boards as well. Lamang ng 6 na binaba sa 3. Hello, ngayon sa Costello. Marami ka bang pinaiyak sa Marikina?
Marami daw.
Matawa lang.
Kasama din siya ng ating kasamang Myrtle sa
Sinabi ko, binanggit ko. Ni Jerry Fabian. Kalisan, the jumper by Kalisan. That is something that I admire. Tongko, balik kay Amer, inside at the high post. And there's that high-low na ginagawa talaga nila all their years together in the red and white uniform. Binangga na, may basket ba for Ola Diogon. That Ortuste tumuloy-tuloy.
Well, of course, if you're at the supporters and the fans, of course,